Hey everyone, it's Sophia here, your go-to YouTube blogger. I'm so excited to share this beautiful beach walk with you today. The sun is shining, the waves are gently crashing, and the warm sand is perfect for a stroll. As we walk along the shore, you can see the crystal clear water and the mesmerizing shades of blue. The ocean looks so inviting, and it's the perfect temperature for a swim. The sand beneath our feet is so soft, making it great for building sandcastles or just relaxing. You can see people around us, enjoying their time under the sun. Some are sunbathing, while others are playing beach volleyball or having picnics with their families. It's truly an amazing atmosphere. Now, let me tell you something interesting about this beach. It's actually a nesting ground for endangered sea turtles. During the nesting season, you can spot these magnificent creatures coming ashore to lay their eggs. Isn't that incredible? Alright, my lovely viewers, that's it for today's beach adventure. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more amazing content. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hey everyone, it's Sophia here, your go-to YouTube vlogger. I'm so excited to have you join me today as I explore this stunning beach. The sun is shining, and the vibe here is just incredible. As I walk along the shoreline, I can't help but be mesmerized by the beautiful ocean. The water is so clear and blue, and the waves gently roll in, creating a soothing melody. I love the way the sunlight reflects off the surface, making it glisten like diamonds. The sand beneath my feet is so soft and warm, it feels like I'm walking on a plush carpet. I can see people of all ages enjoying themselves, building sandcastles, sunbathing, and playing beach volleyball. There's such a wonderful sense of community here. This beach actually has a fascinating history. Legend has it that pirates once buried their treasure here, and every now and then, someone claims to have found a mysterious coin or artifact. Who knows, maybe we'll stumble upon some hidden treasure ourselves. Alright, my lovely viewers, that's it for today's beach adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting journeys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.